We're not about giving you artwork. We're about giving you mana.
Whenever we design anything, we start with the story. The story here was really around our guest's voyage, or whether you're on the airplane and it's like a canoe and you're traveling over the ocean, or in our lobby spaces, which become the point of embarkation for that journey. When we first sat down with Keone, almost immediately he had a pen and he started to draw patterns.
I was kind of possessed because I started drawing and drawing and drawing. One of the first things that came into my mind was what we call a nihon. It's a triangular design that was specific to those islands.
Keone brought this deep sense of cultural storytelling, but also a great eye for graphic design. And the most exciting part of this will be to take these really deep traditional elements and weave them into a very modern, technologically advanced space like an airport.
Well, the plan for our neighbor islands is to really improve the guest experience while improving the employee experience. So we took a step back and looked at where we are and recognized that the flow of the lobby, the technology in the lobby, the tools available to our employees just didn't meet our current needs. We've done some tests with the new kiosks, and it's between 25 and 30% faster. We would expect it to be even better for our guests and for our employees.
I want all of the personnel to feel proud that this is a design for our island.
We know in this business things are cyclical, so when you make an investment, you want to make sure it's the right investment for the long term. And we're really confident that with this new look and feel for our neighbor island lobbies, that this will be timeless.
Everyone will approach the space in their own way, whether it's someone who's really knowledgeable about these things and can understand the significance of the designs, or whether it's a visitor who's seeing this for the first time. It will feel special and it will feel unique, and it'll be a significant part of their voyage.